Okay, so let's start this video. So first we'll go to this Google page where we will write canva.com. Then we will click on Canva, and then just within a moment we will come to this Canva website where you can design anything you want just for free. And this Ognijita, that's my name. So today I'm going to show you how generally I design my Instagram post for my artistic page. You can see already the template is given, but also above you can see that magnifying glass where you can search any type of post, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever you want you can search. But I won't search anything because that Instagram post below is already appearing there. So what I will do is I will directly click on there and I will make it. So as you can see, it's almost a square shape, 1080 into 1080 pixel size. It's absolutely a square shape. So I'll click this, and in just a moment a blank slide will come, as you can see. So I would like to prefer to design my post from the scratch, but if you can't do that, on the left hand side you can see there are lots of templates are there which you can choose from and design from there, but I would like to do from scratch. So first of all, I would like to give a background color, and I can choose any color from this color palette, which can be blue or reddish orange or black, anything, but I will select my own color. For that I will type over here something like hash B0A682. It's hash B0A682. This is the color. Now I'll go to the element section. Why? Because I want to add some pictures into it. Then I'll go to the frames section. You can add easily pictures into it. Go to see all option, and I want some square shape. So for that I will scroll down a little bit scroll down because I need that exact square shape, not that one. Little bit below, scroll. Yeah, I got it. So that's the square shape I want. So I will click that, and you can see it has appeared on my Instagram slide that I want to draw. So my work is now to just resize it to make it a small square size. Now I will copy and paste this multiple times because I want here 4 pictures, one below the other. So as you can see, it's not fit, the last one won't fit below there, so I will not resize actually, I will make them little smaller and align them. You can see pink line has appeared, that will help you to align things and keep things together. So now I will copy paste one last time and put that frame below. These frames will help you. This is just a frame, and whatever pictures you want, you just place it over them and it will be just get centrally aligned over there. Nothing to, you don't need to give pictures separately and arrange them separately. So that's why I love this frame feature of this Canva. So as you can see, I'm still aligning. Okay, so now it's complete. Now I'll go to upload section. Why? Because I have some uploaded already pictures from desktop. Particularly, one thing you should keep in mind that the pictures only in the desktop you can upload it. You can't copy paste pictures over here. So I got a picture of that aquarium and that fish. I will just paste it, and you can see if double clicking the picture you can adjust them left or right to keep them centrally aligned. You can do that whichever part you want to show. So that one picture I have kept. So scrolling down a little bit, yeah, I have got another picture. That's a plate of cookies, a flower, it's lotus, and these are the drawings that I've already drawn. Please visit my Instagram account, that is @acme art and craft. It's you will later get to see what's the actual username. So these are the 4 pictures. Not only these, many pictures are there. So go to my profile and you can see what I have drawn digitally, and that also only on Microsoft PowerPoint. Isn't that amazing? It's absolutely amazing. So go to my Instagram account and check it out. So now we will add some text. We will go to text section, add a subheading, and you can see on double clicking it the whole things get blue. So now you erase it and just write whatever you want to write over there. And you can see I'm writing over here, learn how to draw digitally. Okay, so it's this post is something more of advertisement post, and and that's why I'm writing learn how to draw digitally. You can write whatever you want. So my favorite font over here is it's Vida Loca, and I'm changing the font color to white, and you can see I'm adjusting this font so that, and I want to keep this font left aligned, and as you can see, as I'm pushing that box towards left, the words are getting below one the other, and you can also see there are a lot of line spaces there which I don't like, so I'm reducing it as per my wish. So I did it. It's something around 1.1.2. Yeah, wait, that's final. So I'm adjusting this font size and everything. Now we'll go to elements section to add more elements to it to make it more beautiful. So I'll add some lines, again change the color to white, and make it a little smaller. So I will place one on the above and copy paste it and place one below the text that I have already written. Sorry. So now pink lines are appearing, so it will help you to align everything in position. So again we will go to the text and choose that, add a little bit of body text. So there I'm writing my Instagram username, that is @acme_art_and_craft. So that's my Instagram account. Okay, so I will not I will keep this font style only. You can bold it or not, it's up to you, and I like this font style. So now I will change the color again to white, because this color and white are more contrasting to each other, looks more beautiful to the eyes. So I will choose make it white and unbold it. Now what I will do is I will paste the brand logo on my Instagram post. So I will take from other section where I've already pasted my logo. Okay, so what I will do is okay, so you can see this logo is already here. So I will copy this, go back and paste it there, and I will place that logo just in the top right corner and just little bit smaller. Yeah, it's done. Now I will something more to write, because as I said, it's an advertisement post. So on which social media platforms you are, you have to mention that, so that your viewers or followers can see where other platforms you are. So what I will do this, I will okay, I'm adjusting. So now I will copy that and paste it again, because I want that same font style only. Okay, there it goes. So I will remove that and write visit and free resources at. So free in anyone, there's no one in this whole world who doesn't love free resources, and that's why I'm mentioning free resources over there. So you just need to adjust little, keep it bold and short, the font size short. So I am making bold and reducing its size. Almost done. Okay, so I have to give pictures of the logos where all I am. Like for that, again I will go to the elements section. You can type easily over here like Instagram or Facebook, whatever you type. So see, so many logos that appeared over here. Choose the original logos. So I am zooming it to show you how to decrease its size. So after decreasing its size, I will position the logos one after the other. Now I will select the Facebook logo. I do also have a Facebook page. So go to my that Acme Art and Craft page. There you will get the link of my Facebook page, my YouTube and Pinterest page. So so this is the YouTube page. It's Acme's Art and Craft. Obviously link is there in my page. Please do visit my page. and you can see I'm arranging one after the other. um, then sorry, it's my mistake, it's not Twitter. Sorry. Wait, yeah, Pinterest. I have also an account on Pinterest. Pinterest is a very good platform for me where I all get my ideas, what to draw next. I get all my inspiration from there. It's very good. So I've now, last thing what you are going to do is mention that all these links are given in the bio, so that people don't have to search like for the links where are they. Okay, so obviously you know how to put a link up, link, or use linktree.com to use to give multiple links on just in one link form in your Instagram bio. So this is, you can see the whole it's completely made. Now I will show you a picture how it will look on my phone, means after uploading how it will look, that I'm going to show you. So keep this in mind, keep things in mind, that visit and free resources, putting the link in bio, what are you actually trying to say through your post, everything, and pictures, logo, all these things should be there. So this is, you can see after posting on Instagram, this is how it looks, my post. Okay, so and this is one thing, that if you become my 700th follower quickly, then you will get a customized digital portrait absolutely free. So for that, you have to visit my profile. I'm now going to show you how my that artistic profile looks like. So this is the page, Agni Art and Craft. So you can see so many posts I have already uploaded, and please, it's a kind request to you all, please do like, share and comment, and support my work, and whoever will follow me, I will follow them back too. So thank you and happy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.